The Food Service Exchange presents.
Joining me today is Steve Adams, three-time Canadian barbecue champion. Hi, Steve.
Hi, Murray.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
You can open your own trophy shop now.
Yeah.
This is great. Amazing stuff, Steve.
Well, thank you.
Really good stuff. What are we going to do today?
We're going to do cedar plank garlic shrimp with Asiago gratin. Well, we're going to line the plank with some lemon. It's a lemon-lined plank.
Yeah.
And we're going to preheat this.
You got it. I'm on it.
Indirect, 400.
Right on the top, right, Steve?
Yes, sir.
I heard that. There you go. Now, did you soak that at all, Steve? Or
No, we're going
anything?
indirect. You can reuse
Okay.
that. Can you put that on the grill and we'll just get that preheated?
Great.
And we're just going to keep this open for a sec, right on the heat, right over direct heat.
Right on the heat. Okay, there
We're
you
going to
go.
throw in some olive oil.
So we're going to mix it in there.
Yeah,
All right.
olive oil and butter.
I've done this a couple times. This one's my favorite, the Asiago shrimp. Okay, what did he just do?
I just turned it up a bit just to get you
saw him
going.
do something. What did he do?
It's a time thing.
What did he do? Okay, garlic.
Yeah, we're just going to let that melt for a minute.
All righty. He cranked that up a bit. That's good.
Now, I'll just talk about the shrimps for a sec.
Okay.
So cleaning the shrimp, this is a 16 to 20 count. We take the shell off,
Right.
leave the tail on. And these are packed in brine, so I always like to rinse them at least 3 times because I can't stand that taste
No.
of the brine.
Almost
and
an-
keep your
almost-
tail on.
Almost an iodine flavor, isn't it? When
It
you
is.
when you don't do that.
And you can tell. These are nice ones
They're
too.
real nice.
We're going to be cooking this at 400 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes.
Okay.
Lots of people say that you can't cook shrimp
I know
at
one guy that
400
said
degrees.
that to you.
I know.
I know a guy.
And you've been proven.
Yeah.
So we'll throw in the garlic when you're ready.
Let's go.
And we'll throw in the red pepper, which is a crushed chili.
Yes, crushed chilies.
Got to put some heat in it.
Yeah.
Some fresh black. And we're just going to let that go for a second.
Yeah.
We have a little spatula
nice.
here.
Cool. Thank you, sir. It's good.
Here, Murray, throw in some parsley.
Okay. Okay.
And we'll throw the shrimps in. Just one at a time if you can, and we'll
I
just
will.
kind of, we're going to go for 30 seconds, move them around.
Very nice. Look, boy, I'm getting some heat off here, Steve.
Yeah, so we're just going
Very
to
nice.
pull this off the heat a bit here.
Okay.
So we don't burn the garlic.
Okay. Oh, yes. There you go.
Good.
Good job.
Throw in some breadcrumbs and we'll flip them over and mix it all up.
Who'd have thunk breadcrumbs, eh?
Yeah. I'm going to put in half the Asiago.
Yep. You say Asiago, I say Asiago.
Asiago.
Very nice. It's thickening up. That thickened the panko or breadcrumbs really thickened up the shrimps nicely.
Okay,
You
we'll
ready
slide
for 'em?
that over.
Ready for them?
Yeah.
I'll let you do that, Steve.
Go ahead and just
Pure
pour it on
cream.
and I'll...
Okay. You happy with that, Steve?
Yeah, sort of on the... Yeah, you got
Want
it.
them on the lemons too?
Yeah,
Okay.
it soaks up that flavor.
That's right. That's nice. What a nice creation.
And then we'll just
There.
scoop this right on top.
That's right. Did I get you?
This is my favorite way to do shrimp, Murray.
I know mine too. When I do in Murray's Kitchens, I
You
teach
cook this-
people how to do this. I've stolen your recipe, Stephen.
And then what I do is I go vertical
Okay.
on a few of these, just to try and get them
Yep.
up a bit.
Steve, you're really big on presentation, and I love that about this.
Presentation's
because you
really
are a
important.
champion. That's so important, isn't it?
So indirect,
Indirect.
400 degrees on our preheated lemon-lined plank.
Lemon-lined plank. Easy for him to say. Bye-bye. Okay, Stevie, look at these. These fellas are done.
Oh, they look
And
good.
look at your cedar plank, still in good shape. It is.
You know, just to get the lemon on,
Oh,
on
good
the top.
idea.
Yeah, you've already got it on there?
I
Nice.
have it underneath. I don't know if it's not going to be too hot to eat yet. Wow. That was absolutely delicious.
Thank you.
And so, Steve, you remember the traditions. You'll eat, drink, and be merry. Cheers, Steve. Thanks for
Cheers.
coming.